Coach JC. He is a local and international trainer, passionate and dedicated on his field. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Coach JC.
Everyone, you can ask everyone, pero at the end of the day, if you haven't make a decision or choice na gagawin mo siya personally, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Just like right now, yeah, mukhang parang nakakahiya. Ano ba naman si coach? Ano ba naman siya? Nasa labas, nakapayong. I don't really care. Kasi what's important is the training, right? At the end of the day, kumbaga, it's a mindset. Sabi ko, it's a mindset. Kasi, sabi ko nga kanina kay Ma'am Oni, Ma'am, let me know if it's already start. Kala ko part 2 na, hindi pa pala. Okay. excited na ako eh. Alright. So guys, no? Nag-prepare si Ma'am Oni ng tinatawag na slides na kung saan tutulungan niya ako. So, Ma'am Oni, kumbaga at the end of the day, kumbaga wala kami kung wala ka syempre. Kaya dapat healthy ka palagi. And gusto lang i-recognize si Ma'am Eileen. Without Ma'am Eileen and Boss Kenneth, okay, bottom line, wala tayong Nurowell. So, gusto ko lang pasalamat sa kanila kasi because of them, meron tayong opportunity na ginagawa po ngayon. Tama, mali? Ayan, yung nagnanad, salamat. Yung hindi, thank you pa rin. Okay, ayan. Ma'am Oni, yung slides natin, please. Ayan, basic training. Okay, gawa natin simple lang. Pag sinabing basic, guys, napakasimple lang, basic. Okay, so unahin ko na, no? Unahin ko na dito, empowering growth and success in affiliate marketing. So guys, gagawin ko lang siyang layman, gagawin lang simple, okay? Ang negosyo natin is all about time. Okay, pag sinabing all about time, it's all about testing, okay, testing our effectiveness using time. Kasi ang time may meaning po yan. Test in measuring effectiveness. Ulitin ko, test in measuring effectiveness. Okay? Our results will always be based on sa time frame na ginawa natin ng isang bagay. Maaring nakuha mo na, pero matanda ka na. Maaring nakuha mo na, pero bata ka pa. Maaring naging milyonaryo ka, pero too late. Maaring kumita ka, pero alam mo yun, kulang or sobra or whatsoever. At the end of the day, everything is measured by time. Kaya sana, let's not waste time anymore. Kung gagawin natin siya, gawin na natin, wag natin patagalin. Pwede. Okay? Yung lahat ng training po natin, at the end of the day, lahat ng training, aatinan din po natin yan. Sabi nga, at the end of the day, the training you miss is the training you need. Kaya kailangan po atinan po natin lahat ng training. Okay? So, key objectives ng natin, ng training natin. Okay? At the end of the day, to level up. To level up ourselves to a better us. Ibig sabihin better us, ibig sabihin kailangan meron tayong ginagawang bago. Meron tayong mga bagay na kung saan kailangan natin baguhin. Kung meron isang bagay na kailangan natin baguhin, guys, yung mindset natin regarding sa oras. Pag sinabing Filipino time, we are on time. Okay? Pag sinabing Filipino time, we are on time. When we set our training for 8 o'clock, we start at 8 o'clock regardless kung isa lang tayo, dalawa o tatlo tayo. Okay? I'll be frank, I'll be direct. Guys, let's be respectful sa mga tao na kung saan naghahabol ng oras. Kung ikaw wala kang hinahabol ng oras, let's respect the people na kung saan every minute counts. Di ba sabi nga, time is gold. Okay? Okay, Mama Oni, please. Okay, know the company. Hindi ko na ito di-discuss kasi it's your obligation to know the company. Okay, it's your obligation. Alamin ko ano yung pinasok mo, sino yung pinasok mo, sino yung background, ano ba yung reason, stability, etc. It's your own personal research na dapat mong gawin. I'll not discuss about the company. Okay? Ma'am Oni, next. Use the product. Ayan. Ito, tanong lang. Chat. Inom yung spirulina per day? Sige nga po. Ilan yung spirulina per day? Okay? So ako po, kung tatanungin nyo, I don't count. Kung anong pumatak sa kamay ko, iniinom ko. Pero kung tatanungin nyo ako kung gaano pag-inom, 1 tablet every year ng edad mo. So if you're 50 years old, you should be taking 50 tablets of spirulina every single day. If you're 1 year old, 1 tablet per day. If you're 10 years old, 10 spirulina per day. But if you have disease or sakit, guys, kailangan minom times 3 ng edad mo every single day. That's my basic concept of spirulina. Kasi what we're putting in our body is something really healthy and something that will really help us in our diseases. Okay? So, guys, ako, panatig ko ng product ever since. Spirulina, ito ang ginagamit sa UNICEF. Ito ang ginagamit ng feeding program. At the same time, ito ang kinakain ng mga astronauts sa outer space. Okay? Kaya yan, si Sir Nick, uminom yata na spirulina. Good. Okay, Ma'am Oni, next. Ayun, set your goals. Gawin natin simple. Magkano mo gustong kitain ngayong October? It's only October the 2nd. Pangalawang araw pala ng October. Set your goals. Magkano gusto nyo kitain? Ganun lang kasimple. Huwag natin gawin komplikado. Okay? If you wanna earn 50,000, kailangan galawang 50,000. If you wanna earn 100,000, dapat galawang 100,000. You cannot earn the amount that you want doing the same thing that you're doing before. I'll be direct. Hindi pwede yung galawan mo same galawan para kitain mo. Sabi nga, kailangan ng extra. Kailangan ng extra. Kaya nga tawag sa kanya, extra income, extra effort. Make sense? Okay? Itong specific, measurable, attainable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. This is very, very basic. Okay? Wala nang bata dito. Lahat dito mature na. Kaya kailangan maging mature po tayo. Okay? Mamoni, next. Learn the system. Guys, products equals points equals cash. Ulitin ko lang. Products equals points equals cash. Ulitin ko pa, isa pa. Products equals points equals cash. The more product we share, the more points we have, the more income we have. That's the basic system po ng negosyo natin. Huwag natin gawing komplikado. More products, more points, more cash. Gets po? Naiintindihan po? Malinaw? Klaro? Thank you, Sir Nick, for agreeing. Ma'am Barb, salamat po. Ang favorite ko na gold director natin. Ayan. Next po, Mama Oni. Create a daily activities. Okay, ito. Bigyan ko na isang tip. People. Anong sinachat ko? Happy birthday. There's minimum 5 people na nagbe-birthday in every single day sa mga contact po natin. So make sure that you greet them before the day ends o yung magbe-birthday the next day. Alam mo kinabukasan, magti-thank you yan. Alam mo sabihin ko, anong gusto mo? Pera o bayong? Oo, tinatanong ko sila. Tapos sabi ko, pera o bayong? They will always choose pera. Alam mo sabihin ko, alam ko yan ang pipiliin mo. Kaya bayong ang kaya bayong ibibigay ko sa iyo. I always send them the value of the product. Kasi sabi ko, gusto ko maging healthy ka. I don't know kung maging corny na sinera kita ng spirulina, but I don't care. Kasi feeling ko magkakasala ako pag hindi ko sinera sa'yo ng spirulina. Something that I use that makes me healthy, na kailangan ibigay ko sa'yo. Okay? If you want, I can give you for free kasi love kita, birthday mo. Pero, I'll give you the free if you buy 4. Kasi may promo ngayon eh. Buy 4, take 1. Pasok, pasok, pasok. Alright. Okay, next. Ma'am Oni, please. Start sharing. The only way you can start sharing is when they see something in you na nagbago. Guys, if you know me personally, iba yung energy ko. Ang tanong lagi ng tao, saan mo kinukuha ang energy mo, JC? Alam mo sabi ko? Simple lang, spirulina. Spirulina is the answer. I take my spirulina in front of other people. I don't take it at home. I take spirulina when someone is looking. Hindi ako nagtitake ng product na walang nakakakita. Kasi pag tinanong, ano yan? Binibigyan ko na lang, hindi ko pinapaliwanag. Alam sabi ko, mamayang gabi, balitaan mo ako bukas ng umaga, kumusta ang poops mo? A healthy digestion, a healthy gut is a healthy brain, a healthy body. Yes or no? Thank you. Okay, you just share the benefit of the product. Don't talk about what is spirulina. Talk about what the product can do to them. Okay, Ma'am Oni. Invite to presentation. Ayan. Guys, alam nyo, ang training, hindi siya for members lang. Pwede nyo invite even hindi po members sa training. Our training, our presentation is open for everyone. You don't know what level of financial literacy and leadership training na pwedeng makuha ng mga tao pag pinatin nyo sila. Ang sabihin mo lang, simple lang. Bro, are you familiar with financial literacy? Pag sinabing hindi, can I have this opportunity to share, to invite you to a financial literacy Zoom meeting or training or face-to-face or call? Alam mo yon? O kaya, please, bro, meron ka bang kilalang may diabetes or high blood or cancer? Maybe this information can be a benefit to them. Guys, sa negosyo natin, bawal ang mahiyain. Bawal ang mahiyain. Dapat makapal ang muka. Bakit? Simple lang. Ang ginagawa po natin ay moral, ethical, legal. Wala kang dapat kahiya. Ngayon, nasa daan niya ako. Itinan nyo, guys. Mamaya may lalapit na dito. Magpaparecruit. Promise yan. Okay? So, guys, bawal ang mahiyain. Okay? Ang intention natin sa tao makatulong. Ang intention natin sa tao makapagpagaling. So, bakit ka mahihiya? Okay? Sabi nga at the end of the day, pag sinabing no, sabi mo thank you. Bakit? Sabi mo, may araw ka din. Babalikan mo rin ako. Balang araw, maalala mo ko pag may sakit kaya. Kaya lang, it's too late. Okay? So guys, next, Ma'am Oni, track and improve. Ayan. So guys, ito, track and improve. Importante to. Bakit? Sabi nga, guys, kung meron kayong ginagamit na apps sa ninyo, sa phone nyo, ano yon? Calendar. Everything you do should be on calendar. Everything you do should be on calculator. Bakit? Time will tell kung ano activity ang ginawa mo sa ngayong October. Okay? We must have at least 3 to 5 presentation per day. Ulitin ko, 3 to 5 presentation per day or 10 tao na nakwentuhan ng spirulina. If not, you're not doing the business, naglalandi ka lang. Sorry for the word. Pag hindi ka nakapag-share ng spirulina sa mga tao, naglalandi ka lang. Okay? You're not serious enough. Let me know if you're serious already. Okay? Kasi guys, ang ganda ng product natin. Hindi ka mapapahiya. Tested nyo na, patest natin sa iba. Make sense? Okay, ito, build a team culture. Actually, let's not create a team. Let's create our team, my team. Ikaw muna. Magsimula ka muna mag-isa. Okay? Huwag ka muna mandamay. Kasi at the end of the day, dapat walk the talk po tayo. Ano ibig sabihin? Let's be on time. Doon muna tayo. Let's work muna on time. At the same time, let's present ourselves in a way of someone would say, gusto ko siyang makasama. Pag nakita ka ba ng tao nakapaligid sa'yo, pwede ba niya sabihin, ay gusto ko siyang samahan. Gusto ko yung energy niya. Gusto ko yung smile niya. Gusto ko yung amoy niya. Gusto ko yung forma niya. Nagigets yung point ko? Kailangan, even wala pa tayong resulta, yung energy pa lang natin, yung aura, kailangan, ka-invite na. Diba? Si Mang Oning, tonto ako, green na green, no? Okay? Yan, Nurawell. Ma'am, yung t-shirt ko, maliit, masyadong sexy. Papapalitan natin. Ayan. So guys, at the end of the day, uh, let's kumbaga, harap tayo sa salamin. Tanong natin sa sarili natin, tayo ba yung tao na gustong samahan o gustong layuan? Let's be honest. Kasi kapag ang sagot gusto nating lapitan, pusa yan. Ma-attract po natin yan. Okay? And I pray for everyone na kung saan sana man maramdaman, makita nyo yung yung nararamdaman ko, nakikita ko with Nurawel. Okay? Kasi hindi naman ako sasama, di ako kasi ng oras ko dito para kung wala lang. Ako kanyo. Guys, I believe there's a reason and purpose bakit tayo nagkakasama-sama ngayon. And hopefully, magkita-kita tayo sa office and sa event na darating natin with Nurawel.